This video, I'll show you how to assemble these little treat boxes. So these are another project that are very quick and easy. There's a ghost, a spider, a cat, a bat, an eyeball, and a pumpkin. These would look really cute, embellished, using some twine to put little bows on them, rhinestones on the eyes. I'm going to start here just by folding this on all the score lines. Now I've cut this fold here in this so that you'll have a little bit more space inside the little box here. And what I'm doing is I'm leaving this one out and pushing this edge right up against it so that I can get this out to the furthest most point that it'll go to without overhanging the bag. I hope that makes sense. And then I'm going to do the two top ones. And I'm just going to go right to where, whoops, to where it doesn't show. Okay. So again, we're going to start with the bottom and leave the top two tabs out because those are going to be my stoppers. I'm going to push this in, and then right where it stops, I'm going to glue that in place. I'm just using my finger inside to push those tabs down. So the box is 1.5 inches by 2 inches. It looks like it's probably, I'm going to sneeze, I'm sorry. About 2 inches tall, excuse me. So let's see. So this part of the box is 3 inches wide and about 2 inches tall. So you could do up a bunch of these in a pretty short amount of time. So this is another project that would be easy to do for a classroom with a variety of styles to appeal to all the kids. And if you want the cutout to be a different color than your box, then just cut an extra one from the back to get that other color to put behind your cutout. So there's the pumpkin. And now I'm going to pull in the eyeball. Let's do the bag first. I like to have projects, especially for the holidays, that are quick and easy so that you can do them for a classroom or a party. Because if any of you are like me, you obligate yourself to do things for a classroom, and the project takes so long for each one that you wind up wondering what you have done. What have I gotten myself into? So with these, again, you can see it goes very quick. You can get these done in a short amount of time and have time to embellish them to make them really cute. Two of the boxes will fit on one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. I'm going to go ahead and do the back first. Okay, and your eyeball. You'll see with this file when you do it how the circle fits right in its spot. There it is. So you have an eyeball, a pumpkin, a cat, a spider, a bat, and a ghost. Thank you for joining me.